Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make PROCREATE brushes. Here's another brush type that a lot of you seem to be wanting more of, so here's one that you might like. The Gritty Liner Brush. It's a brush that produces a textured and jagged stroke that's perfect for outline and lettering projects. I'll teach you how to create the brush using built-in PROCREATE brush shapes to produce both monoline and taper versions of this brush. So, let's get started and make this brush. Let's start with an open canvas, doesn't matter the size or dimensions. Choose a brush library of your creation or an existing one, and tap on the plus sign to make a new brush. In stroke path, set stroke property spacing to 30% and jitter to 15%. In stabilization, set your preferred streamline settings. In shape, tap Edit beside Shape Source, tap Import, then choose Source Library. From the selections, choose Simple Leaf. Tap Done twice to save shape. Under Shape Behavior is where we really make this brush come alive. First, set Scatter to Max, Rotation to follow Stroke, Count to 10, and Count Jitter to Max. Turn on Randomized. In Rendering, set Rendering Mode to Intense Blending. Dynamics is also another panel that helps bring this effect to life. First, set Speed Size to 70% and Jitter Size to 20%. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Size to 95% or the amount that you prefer depending on how thin or thick you want your lightest pressure to produce. Then, set Pressure Opacity to None. Finally, in Properties, set Brush Behavior Maximum Size to 110% and Minimum Size to 1%. This will give you a nice and textured brush stroke that adjusts with how much or less pressure to exert on the pen. If you would rather have this be a monoline stroke, just go back into the brush settings, and in Apple Pencil, set Pressure Size down to 0. A quick and easy liner brush that I really hope you have fun creating with. Share them on Instagram with the hashtag #MakeThisBrush or @MakeThisBrush. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!